Nkwate bamuseka. Panini tabula mbwange. Chimala.
Tigenda kutokota.
Nkwate bamuseka. Zera kwate sente.
Esente bagenda kuzisesema ku kifuba.
Hey guys, welcome to my new video Ramadan vlog. Yeah, my week in Ramadan, the wrapped week, unscripted, the behind scene of Ramadan, cooking, food, friends, travel. So welcome, please watch until the end. Yeah, this is Josephine here, working in Qatar as a housemaid from Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about this video. Yeah, thank you guys. I love you so much wherever you're watching from. We're going to make sandwich. Going to fry this in oil. This is chicken meatballs. Coffee gahwa. Okay. Frying this now. We have here cream of chicken soup. It's ready. Haris. Guys, see this one. This is fertile. This is sandwich meat, minced meat. That is busted up. The design, garnishing. Guys, look at that. Yummy. The meatballs inside, then we make sandwich.
Josephine, Jojo brings the fire. Ugandan queen, no one higher. Cooking dishes that inspire. Funny vlogs, she'll never tire. From the kitchen to the camp.
Ya shurba. You don't want that? Yeah, give me donut. This one not good.
No, sorry.
Put salt. Ishfi, come for ifturu. Come for iftar. Iftar right now we are eating, guys. Come we eat the juice. Unaonyesha content. Tulijua lugha denga haina matesi. What a living in the side. So guys, today is Friday. You can see how all these people, the cars, this is what happened on Friday. Yeah. This is soup. Others as Haris, this is Haris soup. Shurbat Haris. Yes, this is Haris. I normally show you this one. It's from there. So today we have this food pizza. Pizza. This is all the food we are going to eat. From this family now I have come. MashaAllah, Allah has blessed us with the rain in this Ramadan. Wow. Wow, you can see, guys. كيف design. This is salata. Time check, guys. And so it is 2:51 a.m. Yeah, I'm just having my green tea this time. Yeah, because I'm just tired. I felt like I can take this tea. It makes my mind feel so fresh.
Breaking news on every screen. JoJo's World, a wild machine. Interrupt your daily scene. Truth be told, it's never clean. Chaos runs through every street. Pounding hearts.
Yeah, it's me there. It's already like you have seen on the time. It's coming to 3. I'm still awake this Ramadan. I'm feeling so tired and I want to sleep like crazy. I want to sleep like so crazy. I'm just tired. My legs are paining. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah. I'm just so tired, guys. Freaking tired. Oh. Yeah, this is Josephine here, live in Qatar, working. Yeah, we are in Ramadan. Ramadan is doing us justice. Is doing us justice, guys. Oh, thank you guys for
Be told,
watching.
it's never clean.
See you.
Chaos runs through every street. Pounding hearts and racing feet.